Okay, great. Now currently we're still on sales, and I want to show you how we can uh, have a sale with debt management. Now in this case we can choose a drug. Say we have in this case Brufen Pediatric, that is a suspension oral. We add a loyalty customer. In this case we give a name of a patient. Say let's use someone who's already part of our list. That's Maureen Kubo. And then you just pick select from the search, and then you have Maureen who has Brufen Pediatric. So in this case it costs 300 shillings. But let's say Maureen doesn't have the total amount of money and it's a patient that you can give debt to. So let's say she has 250 shillings. So once you just put a less amount of money, it will give you this option to create debt for remaining amount. So you select that. After selecting that, you have to again identify the patient or the person who is supposed to be given that debt to. In this case, it's Maureen Kubo. It can be given to someone else. And then you can identify we've got credit limits. If it's a 5,000 shillings or they have more than 3 credits, they can't be given. You can identify the period of time they're supposed to pay back. So mostly usually 30 days, but you can specify even if they're supposed to pay the same day or the next day, and with an interest rate if you need to, from 0 or 5. And then you say complete payment, and then it will give you a credit sale invoice with all these details, for example the drug and the amount of money remaining and interest accrued, interest in case overdue. Here this you can print, or you can go to you can print the document, the invoice, credit note or credit invoice, or you can go to debt management. Yes, and from here you can see you've got all these details of the debt that have been included, and yes, they can make payment from there and give you all these details of this debt. So when you go back to get back to sales, and you go back to the dashboard, of course press refresh, you'll find this debt summary available in the dashboard, and also the amount of sales that you've done currently, and all this information. For example, active drugs are out of stock, and also financial overview of them, current financial overview.